Welcome to this outstanding property right here in Lewis County, Kentucky, featuring a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with approximately 2,160 square feet of living space, sitting on 170 surveyed acres of rolling Appalachian hardwoods. Comfort, charm, outdoor adventure, this place has endless possibilities. Step inside, hardwood floors throughout, an inviting layout perfect for everyday living or entertaining. The spacious kitchen gives you abundant cabinet and counter space and flows straight into the dining area. The master suite, luxurious tile walk-in shower. Plus, you get a bonus room currently used as an office, giving you flexible living options. Every bedroom is generously sized, most with walk-in closets, and while one bedroom doesn't have a closet, you can easily add one. Relax by the wood-burning fireplace or take in the surroundings from the covered front porches on both the first and second levels. Out back, a covered deck with an outdoor fireplace and a pizza oven, perfect for entertaining. Central heat and air, a 2-car garage, and even more. This property includes a guest house currently running as an Airbnb, generating around $10,000 per year, ideal for guests, family, or continued income. Additional outbuildings give you plenty of storage. Outdoorsmen, hunters, you're going to love this. Prime white-tailed deer and turkey hunting in one of Kentucky's top white-tailed destination counties. Rolling hardwood ridges, mast-producing oak trees, incredible wildlife habitat, and strong long-term timber potential. And yes, you do not want to miss those trail camera photos. This is more than a home. It's a lifestyle. Private residence, income-producing property, or a full sportsman's paradise. This Kentucky retreat has it all. Showings by appointment only. Disclaimer: boundary lines shown are approximate for general reference only. AHLC makes no representations or warranties on accuracy or completeness. Buyers should obtain an independent survey to verify exact boundaries.